Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good afternoon. We here. ¿Qué pasa, amigo Mo? Tamimi? What up? All right. We are going to be trading this other account. Try to make a few bucks in it if we can. It is green, but like it's been a tumultuous day in it. A bad day. Let's get some music going though first. A bad day. Well, not really a bad day. I guess I can't call it that. Let's see if we can log on to this connection. Yeah, there it is right there. And we'll just paste everything over to this. Bam. Easy peasy. Mixed day, some DLL, 250K XFAs, can't complain. Yeah. I've only got, well, I end up green on every account. So I'm green right now on every account. This one was the one that, well, obviously you guys know the My Funded Futures 2 was kind of tumultuous, but this is the one that didn't copy correctly. You can see I've had to fight to get it back to green. That should be the lead account. It is. So I want to see a sell down. It's really kind of what I want to see. But the low a day might just be in. I don't really like longing here, but we do kind of have some trend line liquidity here. Cut short of gold long earlier during London for 2K. Nice job. Still though, 2K is a nice hit. I think we popped through the whole number here. You know what? I really should have taken more than one here. If ES hits the 77 here before I hit my target, I'm going to put my stop in. Not going to let this go red. Yeah, I'm going to throw the stop in here. Got in late to this trade. We got in late. Should be able to get the push up here. Still didn't breach that 606. They might miss me by a few ticks here. Stop me out. I wouldn't be shocked. Yep, that's what it did. I mean, ES has kind of rejected that 77 level a couple times today. I'm going to jump back in here, but with a stop. That's the stop. I think I can move my target up a little bit this time. I think we can see 615. What up, Danielle? Kind of want to see a little expansion here. Quickly into the 615s. Quickly, quickly, quickly. There we go. That's what we're thinking. Now I'll trail my stop to break even here. Actually, we'll actually trail it into profit. 5 points. How about that? Going for 17. All right, 10 points. It needs to just go here. ES is back at the 77. Let's see if it bursts through there. There we go. ES is popping through. There we go. Getting the breakout now. Kind of running this low resistance liquidity here. So that's kind of the line in the sand right there, the 637 level. We'll see what happens there. You guys see that previous day close trade this morning? Remember, previous day close, first touch after 10 a.m. Look at that. Zero drawdown. Methodical, did you take that? I sure did. Oh, one more last trade? Yeah, Danielle, you got to lock yourself out there. I only took it for 10 points, but I did take that. It's my favorite trade recently. And I didn't see the first inside bar this morning. I kind of stopped looking for it, but it did also pay. On the 5-minute chart, for those of you who took it, that's it right there. It's a 40-point winner, 30-point winner, I'm sorry. So that means it won Tuesday, won Wednesday, lost Monday. So the run right here, that's all of the trend line liquidity on this leg here. Now, you still have that wick up there at the previous day close at 659. It could make it there. We'll see. I would actually be interested in potentially trying to get a few more points off that 660 level again to the short side. You'd have a little double top action, right? Little, I know it's not the high, but still the same idea. Same idea. ES just tapped the 15-minute opening range low, I believe. Yep. At 68.82. Didn't mean to treat you. Should go to hourly 15-minute gap, hourly and 15-minute gap to the upside. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, I mean, that's that wick. Exactly where we're talking about. Yep. That's the wick at 59, the previous day close. So I will look to take a short off this area. It'll be a fixed take profit and a fixed stop loss. I'm going to go relatively heavy on it. I will risk today's profit. So if we lose this trade, we'll be down about 20 bucks. If that trade loses. So I'm going to look to short up here. It looks something like that. Might give it a couple of ticks higher. Something like that. Mad Moxie, what up? We're jamming out over here. Little candle box. Sometimes I can't help but sing along, you know? Give you a little snippet. Some old school music here. Old school, right? Old school at this point, I guess. We could get a 2-minute long here. What was playing? That was Far Behind by Candlebox. We could get a long here. The only thing is we're below the VWAP here. If we do, it would be below the VWAP, so it'll be a little scary. I'll probably ignore the long if it. I mean, I don't know. We'll pay attention. If it tests 95, we'll look at it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Yeah, on the 2-minute, you'd have to pull back into the 95s to get the long. It's not my favorite setup, but we might take it. I mean, if we think that it's going to go back to the previous day close and balance the hourly and the 15-minute, kind of like what, who was talking about that? Zach. Then, yeah, why not take it, right? Back to the 77 here. Interesting spot. I mean, you would expect it to hold here if it's going to. Not a bad. You could long here. You could long here, but kind of a dangerous long. I'd rather play it off the 2-minute chart. So this would be the idea. Pull back into the 21, bounce, close above. And then you could long back above the 16. Stop here. We'll see if that happens. We'll see if that happens. Will that play out? I don't know. You know what I'm going to do, guys? There's not many of you here. We only got 29 viewers, but I think that's a perfect opportunity to do a giveaway. And that way you got a better chance of winning, right? So let's give away another $100. So enter with exclamation point cash. I do want to have at least as many likes as we have viewers. So 30 likes. 30 likes to do the giveaway. It'll give you guys a higher chance of winning. And what I'll do is we'll leave this live for 10 minutes. So at the Murderbot, you guys remind me. At the Murderbot, remind me and we'll pull. We'll pull for it. Remember, the $100 cash is being paid by trade day. So you're not going to get it until first week of December. Just be aware. Did not quite make it back. Oh, man, do I want to take this? So I didn't quite make it as deep as I wanted it to. Oh, I don't want to take it with 10, though. All right, I'm going to take it with 1 here. Stop below the wick. Target's going to be, yeah, like 640. 641. Really, this is not a clean setup, but I'm going to take it anyway. Let's give it a try. Just one micro. Not a huge ordeal here. I got in kind of late, too. I'm going to move that take profit up to 650. Why not? ES closing back above the 77. I like that. I did long right into the VWAP, which probably... I'm not a smart man. Sorry, guys. I'm not a smart man. This candle would close above my entry would be ideal. If it could close above my entry, that would be awesome. In the next 5 seconds here. So it didn't quite close above. That's okay. So I'm looking for, I'm longing here. I'm going to short at the 660 for a reaction. By jumping into this before it actually triggers, we do take a chance of this happening here and then going. We do take that chance by jumping in without it before it triggers. Look at all the likes, 32. Let's go. Use code June. I mean, ideally, we'd like a candle to close above our entry here, but different story. What I might do is give this 10 points more, kind of below the EMAs here. Just kind of see what happens. Murderbot in 6 minutes, guys. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, and hit the like button. Does the Murderbot take us up? A deal, trader. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You don't love the reaction we're getting so far. ES is trying to build out a bit of a bull flag here. See if he can do it. ES has to hold the 77. If it doesn't hold the 77, then down goes Tyson. Apex's sale does end tonight, guys. 70% off and a $40 lifetime PA fee. Does end tonight. Midnight. What up a deal? Is this a deal from poker? You remind me. Well, it looked like a pretty good candle there for a moment, and then it started to reject. See if we get that boner candle at the Murderbot. Just sends us right into the 660 and stops and turns back down. What do you think? Probably wishful thinking, huh? Let's put in an order block here. A little 2-minute OB. Can we do it? Just looking for the little things here. You know, the little things. So far, we're not getting them. Or just close above my entry. One or the other. Both. I don't know. All right. At least we got the order block. Not that that really means much, to be honest, but see, that's why it don't mean much. Murderbot's in 4 minutes here, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. $21 EMA's moved up to the 602 level now. It would still be the same entry if it wicks down into it and then gets back. I mean, like, my entry would be right. I'm just early to the entry right now. Pine Trees, what up? Pine Tree Traders in the house. How'd you do today, Pine Tree? How'd you do? Hopefully you killed it. We never get celebrity Tom Sabo in here anymore. Celebratory Tom Sabo. Thomas Sabo. He never makes it in here anymore. That's rude guy. A little tricky, yeah, it was. I mean, I did well except for on the My Fund of Futures eval. I struggled all day. I did end up green on it, like $183. So we did end up green, so that's always good. I'm thinking we push up into the 660. Kind of makes sense. The only thing is my stop. I don't know if I love where it is. Don't know if I love where it is. Tom's a busy businessman now. I know it. He's also probably asleep right about now, Tamimi. You know, 10 p.m. for a 65-year-old man, 10 p.m. That's a little late. All right, guys, join the giveaway if you're getting in there. Exclamation point cash. We're going to pull it just after the 50 algo. So don't wait till the last second to get in there. Exclamation point cash. Get in there now because you're going to miss it otherwise, because this is going to be one of those ones where I'm just going to go close entries, pick winner. So don't wait, Mr. Tom. Don't just say Tom. Yeah. Mr. Thomas Sababio. Thomas Sababio. 1 minute until the murder bot. If you're in a position, cover the boys, protect yourself, and let's see what happens. Mr. Weevop. The problem I have with having my stop here is like we could just wick down and rip right back up. Could stop me out. Could just stop me out. R.I.P. Put your seatbelts on. That's right. 22 seconds. I think we just rip up into the 660. I think that's the most logical area, but we'll see. 660 and then sell down to the 490 into the overnight session. 200 likes. I don't think we're gonna get 200 likes room. We got 40 views. Oh, there we go, guys. I missed it. That's exactly what we're looking for. Got 40 viewers and 40 likes. So I am going to enter a short at 60. I'm going to cover at 58, my long, and I'm going to enter shorts at 60. So we're going to cover at 58 and enter shorts. Could be a bad idea. I don't know. I'm going to be basically risking all my profits. Oh, come on. Joom style, for sure. Should get that little push here to get us in that area. Then we'll look for the reaction. Long, short at the same time. Sort of. Longing into a short. Easy way to lose money, I guess, huh? Kinda. Long until it's a short. This is definitely a long. Yeah, I think so too, till the 660. And I think we turn back down for at least 10 points. Too easy. Yeah. And if it loses, I just, I just blame somebody else for my idiocracy. Just blame somebody else. I don't know. I'm going to lock some in here. Should I lock some in? I don't know. What do you guys think? Probably not. Let's just leave it break even. Let's leave it break even. Idiocracy of your idiosyncrasy. Yeah. It will keep going up. You think so, Outer? We'll see. I mean, it could. For sure. This is more of it's a little bit of a gamble. A little bit of a gamble. I should probably put my stop, like, back down here. All right. Can I add here? I think I could. Gonna add there. My short up there is a bit risky. Yeah, it is, Outer. I'm 100% with you on that. I know. I know it is. But I'm a risk taker. A risk shaker. Something like that. Definitely risky. 1 minute before the 55 algo. Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. That is the previous day close, though. It has been tested, but I don't know. 45 seconds, we'll know. Because if it could just rip right through it. It could. Oh, I forgot about the giveaway, guys. I already forgot. All right, let's see what happens on this candle, and then we'll do it. A lot of times the 55 and the 50 kind of fade each other. We're going to need that not to happen here. Looks like it might. There we go. There it is. Getting a push. Let's go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. That's rude. Is it really not going to make it up to the 660? Man, I really thought that it would make it there. I really did. What's gold doing? Really thought it would make it up there. Yes, losing 77. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign. No bueno. ES has got to get back above 77 or this thing's going to just dump. I think it's going to dump. I get the feeling it's going to dump. I get the feeling. Couple minutes left in the day here. ES at the VWAP here. Yeah, this thing's just going to dump. I think we're going to dump into close. 959. Yeah, probably. I'm going to look for a better spot. It's either going to rip into close or pull back hefty. Problem is, we're right at the 50 MA on the 2 minute. And we got the whole number here. So I'm kind of watching the ES before I make my decision here. All right, final minute here. Or final 2 minutes. Room's long. Yeah, I'm looking to see if this, if we lose this the 590, then I see kind of a hard dump incoming. So that would also coincide with the ES getting below the 71 here. I'm thinking 590. We lose 590. We run quickly into 568. So that's what I'm going to probably look for here. Not doing it yet. All right, here's the final minute. The final countdown, if you will. Switch back to the 1 minute here for this. So I can see like the candle. Man. All right, I'm long. In case you didn't know. Come on. Let's go. Oh, shoot. All right, stops at break even. I'm looking for a squeeze here through the end of the day. The market closes, Tyson. That's what happens. Earnings after the close. You don't think it's going to do anything big? Nah. You've been long room. Nice. Let's go. I think we squeeze into 660. Although, this has not made a noise. Oh, there we go. Finally. I was going to say it like froze. Up $330 after that jam. I'll move my stop up to the bottom of that candle there. Come on, make it to 60. Get up there. You know it's going to go there. All right, stopped out. All right, up $313 after that exchange. All right, guys, pull in the winner, and the winner is, let's see, hold on. We need 7 more likes. Exclamation point cash in the chat. Hit the like button right quick so I can pull the winner. Hit the exclamation point cash in the chat, and I'm about to pull the winner. Let's go. We need 7 more likes. No one told you it was a giveaway? Yeah, it is. You got to be here on time, room. You can't show up late. You can't show up late. Yeah, the market closes at 4 o'clock, Tyson, but it doesn't officially close until 5. So you can trade it until 5 if you wanted to. But yeah, it closes technically at 4. That's the regular trading hours. So, what up, scalper? All right, guys, I'm pulling it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Room, why am I waiting 1 more minute? What's going on? You can still trade TPT? Yeah, Tyson, you can. I can only trade my funded futures until I don't actually know about Fideas. Anybody know about Fideas? When you got to stop trading Fideas? Yeah, you can trade Lucid as well. Guys, Lucid having the 45% off. Tradeify is also doing 45% off. Use code MM. My funded futures got a great deal on them. Code MM. Apex sale ends tonight. Did Bulenox do anything? All right, guys, one more like. They extended the 75% off sale. That's what Bulenox did. That's not what we wanted them to do. What? Oh. All right, I'm going to do the giveaway now, guys. Here we are. And the winner is Michael Butler. Michael Butler, are you here? ¿Dónde está Michael Butler? There's Michael. Michael, send me an email withoutthecommand@gmail.com. Send the chat right there. Send me a screenshot showing me you're logged into your YouTube channel. And I need your Rise email. Remember, you're not going to get the money until after the 1st of the month. Trade Day will send you an invite to Rise around the 30th of the month. And then a couple of days later, you will receive the money. So, $100. Congratulations. But shoot me an email over to methodicalman@gmail.com. I'm still looking to take this short up here at 660. I may give this a few more minutes. For those of you who don't know, I do post that newsletter from Mancini in my Discord. So as soon as he puts that out, we'll post it. Still got my order there, looking to short the 660. I'm risking $200 on my $313 in profit. So we're either going to be up $500 or we're going to be up $100. Win-win. Can't lose. Can't lose. Guys, we are going to, the next drawing probably tomorrow. I'm going to, you'll have to be subscribed for like 6 months plus to enter the giveaway. And then I'm going to try to do a members only giveaway as well for a bigger prize, a little bit bigger of a prize. So if you're not a member, You might want to consider doing that if you want to enter the giveaway. It's up to you. Earnings are out. All right. I'm still looking at this short, guys. I like the short at 660. I think it's worth a shot at it. If you're curious about the P&L today, it's the same as this morning. I didn't trade anymore. There it is. How many accounts do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 accounts here. And then we have 5 Fidelis accounts that we're working on. And I'm trying to pass 5 My Friend of Futures. So that would put us at 40. All right. That's kind of right where I want to be, like 40. 6 months too much? I don't think so. I mean, if you've been here 6 months, it's just that one giveaway, right? That's all it is. The one giveaway. So just the one giveaway. If you haven't been here 6 months, I apologize. But it's fine. It means you got to be subscribed for 6 months, Room. You got to be subscribed to my channel for 6 months to enter the next giveaway. What that's going to do is just allows people who are a little bit older, been here longer, to have a better chance at winning. That's all. Kind of like what we did this afternoon. There was only 54 entrants. So, do I copy trade? Yes, Tyson. Replicanto. There you go. Replicanto. Tomato. What are we giving away? We'll probably give away like $200 or something for that giveaway. Oh, you know what? Let's see here. For the 39 people that stayed here, Raj P, are you here? Raj P, are you here? Let's see if Raj P is here. If he's one of the ones that stayed. Raj P, are you here? You got 3 minutes, Raj P. Come forward. He might have been one of those ones that left. Ha 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 ha. It says he's still here. Raj P, where you at? You got 2 minutes and 40 seconds, Raj P. I'm going to pick somebody else. I'm going to give away a My Fund of Futures 50K core account. Yeah, I did another one, Room. We're going to do it. We're going to give away a core account. 50K core account. We're just slinging out the giveaways. Fish Lips is still here. All right, Raj P, you got 2 minutes and 10 seconds to step forward, or you're going to forfeit your winnings. He called you and said, give it to you? All right. Room, send me an email with your address. I'll send you something. We'll send you something for Christmas there. Anybody that's if you're a mod in my channel, send me your address and an email, and we'll send you something for Christmas. Zach's here as well. Perfect. It's only for the mods. If you're not a mod, I'm sorry. It doesn't mean I don't like you. It's just, you know, I'm trying to, we already have quite a few. All right, Raj P, you got 1 minute and 19 seconds before we draw another name. Man, it just died here. Raj is about to time out. Funny thing is, it shows I can still @ him in the chat. I just added him. Told him he's got 30 seconds. He actually has like 40, but as soon as the timer goes off, I'm going to pick someone new. Let's count it down. We'll count it down. See if he slides in. He needs to pinch that turd off and jump in here and say, hey. Oh. I always assume somebody's in the bathroom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. R.I.P. And the winner is Hanska Productions. Hanska Productions, are you here? Might get tagged in here, guys. What up, Yusuf? Yusuf has already won $100 because he won the poker tournament the other day. Hanska Productions, are you here? Did they leave too? I'm starting the timer right now for Hanska. You got 3 minutes. All right, we might get tagged in here, guys, on the short. Hanska Productions, step forward. You want a date with Tom Sabo? You want a date with Tom Sabo. You're a lucky man. Let's see if Hanska steps forward or not. He's got 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Let's see if this short works, or if we're idiots. We could be idiots. I don't know. Maybe we're idiots. Probably you're idiots. You never know. I got a limit order to short at 660. Anybody know if you can trade on Fideas after market hours? I don't even know. I'm assuming that you can. 3 out of 50, you still didn't win? Not yet. We're going, Room. We're going. Room, you've already won, man. You've won just by being here. You've won. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hanska, 1 minute and 23 seconds. I got your email here. Who was that one? Michael Butler. I got your email. See if it looks real. Does it look real? Is it real? All right, I guess it's probably real. But yeah, just send me your Rise email, Michael. I don't know if I mentioned that. If you don't have Rise, you got time. You got time to sign up for it. But I would encourage you to go ahead and sign up for Rise. Hanska Productions, the countdown is on. You got 40 seconds. Or you will forfeit your date with Tom Sabo, and someone else will be able to take that nice young man out. On some, you can either go out to eat with him, you can do like some backdoor activities. It's up to you. It's up to you. Whatever you decide to do, that's up to you. I can't control what you guys do. What two grown men do in the dark, I can't control. I got no control over that. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sees ya, and the winner is GFE. Jeffy? Jeffy, are you here? Jeffy, where you at, Jeffy? Jeffy's here. Let's go. All right. Jeffy, you win an account for My Funded Futures, 50K core account. Shoot me an email. It's pinned at the top of the chat, methodicalman@gmail.com. Send me your email that you used to log in with My Funded Futures, and I'll get you that core account over to you. Yeah, Jeffy's here. Jeffy's here. Well, that's going to do it for me, guys. Didn't get tagged into the short here. I might just leave this on. We'll see. But appreciate you guys watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. If you want to help support the channel, guys, remember the Apex sale ends tonight. Use code MM for all your prop firm needs, except for on Apex. Use code MYTH. So appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash